Hi, I'm Lindsay McCullough. I'm a senior specialist in product marketing.
And I'm Jackie Basevi, and I'm a manager in product marketing.
And today we are guessing Mary Kay products.
And go.
Oh, it's a booster of some sort.
Nourishing oil.
Clinical solution. Oh, is it?
Ding.
Oh my gosh, I love the nourishing oil. Can I take her out? She smells so good, and I love to use her on the ends of my hair and on my cuticles during the day. It's like I keep it on my desk at work.
Yes, and I like to mix it with the toning lotion as well.
Ooh,
Feels really
voila.
nice together.
Go.
Where is it? Oh, it's an eyeshadow stick.
Ding.
Yeah, you got it.
This is great. You can use it as a liner as well. That's what I like to do.
Love her as a
sometimes.
liner, or just if you want to do a smoky eye.
Go.
Oh, it's a nourishing balm, shea balm, the lip balm.
Instant puffiness reducer?
Oh, it's no, it's the deep wrinkle filler.
No,
Oh no, it's too small.
it's a mini, one of the deluxe mini hand creams.
Can I squeeze it out?
Oh, it's a concealer or a corrector.
How
did
now
we
it's all over my hand.
Wait. What? Okay, I guess I'm just not used to this new tube. How did I not?
I don't know. It felt too. They're just so tiny. I don't know.
Retinol. Is this retinol? 0.3?
It is. Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Yes. Now that was fast. We all need this in our skincare regimen. Got to be using your retinol.
It's the best, and you can use it every single day. That is the best part about the 0.3. You can use it every day, as you should be. Oh, oil-free eye makeup remover. Micellar water.
Yeah, it's heavy. Yep, my sleep. This is my all-time, I think I have to say,
Yes.
my all-time favorite Mary Kay product. I use it every single day, every single night after
Yeah.
I cleanse, and I could drink it. It's just so good.
It is the best. I literally use mine before and after I wash my face, and it still takes stuff off of your skin that is there. Like it's magic.
Good stuff.
I'm confident with you.
Ding,
Yes.
ding, ding.
Yes.
I didn't say it very confident.
Confidently you. Yeah, definitely the bottle gives it away with the new cap. We love this fragrance.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It smells so good, and the smell stays on you,
It does. It
and
really
it's so
does.
pretty on your counter. I love it.
Go.
Oh,
Lash intensity.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love Lash Intensity. It is such a great mascara. It's got that really cool brush, so to where you roll it around and it really gets all of the different, every little crack and cranny in those little lashes there.
Oh, what is this? Is it sunscreen? No.
This is a Time Wise moisturizer.
Oh,
No,
Mary Kay skincare?
hand cream. What are you?
I don't want to spill it in my hands again.
Don't do that. There's your hand.
Ooh, it's
Is it
wait.
a mask?
Jackie went for it.
Is it a mask?
Oh, a charcoal mask. That's what I was like. Ew.
Ew, that's not a good one.
That's probably not good. We probably need to redo that because I'm like, ew. I do love a good clear proof charcoal mask. What's great about this is that anybody can use this.
Oh yeah.
Even if you don't have acne prone skin, it really just deep cleans. It's like a magnet for your pores. And I love to do a mix-in mask with this and maybe some hydrogel eye patches or another sort of calming mask. Love to do that.
I love this mask because you can like see it working when you put it on, and then I like to look in the mirror and like see everything coming out.
It's a fun experience and it smells nice too.
It does. Oh, this is a cleanser. What is it? Mary Kay skincare cleanser. Yes.
You got it?
Yes!
Which one? Oh, it's the
hydrating.
hydrating. I
Oh.
love this stuff.
I love this.
I do love it, and I like to mix the scrub in with it and use it
Scrub is so nice.
like a scrubby cleanse.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It lathers up really good too. Really feels like it's doing something. Is this emollient?
Ooh, that feels like
Is
the
that what it's
emollient.
called?
Emollient night cream. extra emollient night cream. This is a classic. You never get tired of this one. This is what my favorite thing to do with this is in the winter when everything is dry on my body. I will put this all over my feet and put a pair of fluffy socks on, and it just feels really great. It's so good for elbows. Like you can use this for all the dry stuff.
I always say that my hands can like predict when it's going to get cold outside because they just get like super crackly, and then so I keep some of this and I like layer this on before I go to bed at night, and it really does help a lot.
It does. It's good stuff. Very healing.
Go.
Oh, is
It's a
CC
CC.
cream?
It's a CC. Cheers. Cheers, CC cream. Okay, this is my daily. This is my
It's the
daily
best.
go-to.
Yeah.
Even though I probably need a little bit more coverage, I just like the way it feels. So no matter what I'm doing that day, this is my go-to.
And it has sunscreen in it. You gotta wear your sunscreen.
Makes it even better to have a foundation that's got skincare benefits and a sunscreen. I don't know who won, but I think it was me. I wasn't keeping count.
I really thought you were going to win from the beginning because
Was it
you
you?
know, like you're my boss. I would think that you were gonna win.
So
but
you were letting me win?
no.
Oh.
I was like very determined that I was going to win. I don't know.
I think you may have. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. This was a really fun activity to do in the middle
it
of the
was
day.
so much. Yes,
Thank you
absolutely.
for
we
inviting us.
we want to do this more often for sure. But yes, please be sure to subscribe. And yeah,
We'll see you later.
bye.
Bye.